So let's look at crushing anxiety and taking on the day with unshakable confidence. So, hi, I'm Kelly from Saturn Therapies, and imagine waking up every morning feeling calm, centred and completely unshakable. So what if I told you that in just a few minutes each day you could free yourself from that anxiety's tight grip and replace it with deep, lasting peace and powerful confidence? This simple practice holds the key to transforming your entire day, and it can start right now. So by simply listening to this meditation every morning, it will set up the day for success and free you from that fear and anxiety. So let's begin. Get yourself comfortable in a nice, comfortable, relaxing position, and I want you to take a nice deep breath. Just a nice slow breath in through your nose and feeling your lungs expand. And now just gently release that breath through your mouth. And as you do, letting go of any tension. And let's just do that again. Inhale deeply, drawing in the peace and the soothing energy. And exhale, slowly releasing the worry, the doubt, and the stress. Now close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. And allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to relax, and your body to soften. And in this moment, there's nothing that you need to do. Just simply be. I want you to picture yourself just standing at the edge of a beautiful serene lake. The air is crisp, and the gentle warmth of the sun just touches your skin. And as you look out, still, clear water, you notice how calm and peaceful it is, completely undisturbed. Now, imagine your anxiety as tiny ripples on the surface of that lake. And with each breath you take, those ripples are gently smoothing out. Feel the calmness of the lake. Feel it merging with your own energy. The deeper you breathe, the more that those ripples fade away, leaving only stillness. Now, take a moment to feel this calmness expanding throughout your body, from the top of your head, down through your neck, across your shoulders, down over your chest. Feel it get down both arms, and then over your core, just relaxing you more and more. Over your hips, your legs, and then all the way down to the tips of your toes. It's as if you're absorbing a serene energy, allowing it to wash away every ounce of anxiety. And now, bring your attention to your heart. Imagine a warm golden light just glowing gently at the centre of your chest. This light is your inner strength, your unshakable confidence. And as you focus on this glowing light, feel it grow warmer. Feel it grow brighter. And feel it grow more powerful. This is your natural state. Your pure, calm, steady, and strong. And then repeat these words silently or out loud. I am calm. I am safe. I am in control. I am powerful. And every time you say these words, feel that golden light within you grow stronger, anchoring you in peace. And just repeat them again. I am calm. I am safe. I am in control. And I am powerful. Rooting you in unshakable confidence. And now take another deep breath in. Feel that powerful calmness spreading throughout your entire being. And as you exhale, release any remaining anxiety. Just let it dissolve into nothingness. And before you open your eyes, just take a moment and notice how different you feel. How light, peaceful, and strong you are. This calmness is yours to carry with you throughout the day. And whenever anxiety tries to creep in, just simply return to this feeling and remind yourself of the golden light within you, your inner strength, your unshakable confidence. And now when you are ready, just open your eyes. And welcome to your day. You are ready to face it with calm and powerful presence. And trust me, you've got this. And if you enjoyed this meditation and you would like to continue your journey to calm, confidence and personal growth, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. And let's make every day your best day. I hope to see you all soon.